This 5-minute solution will show you how to remove LinkedIn Open to Work photo frame. So as you can see, currently I'm using the Open to Work photo frame, and follow these simple steps to remove it. And the process will be similar for Android, iOS and computer. First of all, go to your LinkedIn and open your LinkedIn profile. Once you are in your profile, tap on your profile photo, tap on edit frame, and here you have to select original, then tap on apply and tap on remove open to work. And that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.